Hi, I'm Renzo. I own this 2023 Subaru BRZ. Bought this car last September 2023. Well, mainly for fun, no? Actually, this 2024, I mainly use this car for track days, some races. No? So mostly for really for fun purposes. This year, I promised myself not to do anything, keep it stocked as much as possible. Now the race season is over. I will now start to modify. While searching for the performance exhaust, I happened to be targeted by the ad of Autoclinic, wherein I saw the Remus exhaust. Future upgrades, no, I'm planning to do some headers upgrade, overpipe, downpipe, some intake, no, planning to install a carbon intake as well. So yeah, basically for starters, yeah, that will be it. No, then I believe Autoclinic is also a dealer of KW, no, so maybe if budget permits, you might consider. I would like to thank the Autoclinic Group, being the dealer of the Remus exhaust. No? So it's a reputable brand and it's known for performance. Thank you guys. Thank you for bringing it here.